Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So if you want to apply for fully funded scholarship under King Abdullah University Science and Technology, so this scholarship is being offered for our international student. If you want to apply for master and PhD, so you can apply for this scholarship. This scholarship is being offered for master and PhD, and the institution is King Abdullah University of Science and Technology. You have to study in Saudi Arabia, and if you want to check the list of offered program, you have to just click on here, and the last date to apply for the scholarship is 13 January 2024. Let's talk about the scholarship coverage. There will be full free tuition fees, monthly allowances, on-campus housing, medical and dental coverage, and relocation supports. So let's talk about the eligibility criteria for KAUST scholarship. So you have a English test score, IBT or TOEFL, and the minimum score must be 6.5. So all international students can apply for this scholarship. Applicant must meet all the entry requirement for the master or PhD degree program. Gray is not mandatory, however, it will be a plus point if you have it. So let's talk about how to apply for King Abdullah University of Science or Technology application for scholarship. You have to submit all the application process online. The document that will be required during application will be transcripts, curriculum vitae, statement of purpose, three letters of recommendation, English language test score, and the last gray, but it is not compulsory. So at the last, after completing all the steps, you have to submit your application. So if you want to submit this scholarship application fee, there is a no application fee for this scholarship. So if you want to apply for this scholarship, you have to just click on official website. So as soon as you will click on the official website will be open like that. There again you can see the student that will be selected for this scholarship will be given full free tuition fees, monthly allowances, on-campus housing, medical and dental coverage, and relocation supports. So if you want to apply for this scholarship, you have to just click on apply today. So as soon as you will click on the apply today, the application admission portal will be open like that for registration. So here it is, registration portal. You have to just put your personal information and login information like that. Last name like Ali, first name Malik, and the middle name you can skip the middle name if you don't have. So here you have to put your email, then again verify email, and you have to put your date of birth like the given format. So just like that, 1/1/2002. So here you have to give login information. Login like Malik 123, and the password. You can put approximate 8 character password which include at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, number, and one of the special character as given in the following series, like first letter capital @123. You have to again verify your password. After completing the registration form, you have to just click on submit information. After clicking on I acknowledge by submitting this form, my data is available to this institution, and click on submit information. So after submitting the registration form, you can see here your information has been received. Please click here to log in into your application. So you have to just click here. So as you will click on here, you have to just log in your account from here like that. As my username is, after giving password, you have to just click on login. So as you will give the username and password, and the application will be started like that. So from here you have to give your postal code, and after that you have to just click on I agree, I have read the above notice, and just click on continue and create. So again you have to just click on start application. So after that you have to fill the following steps. First one, program of study, sponsorship, personal information. So just like that, you have to just click on program of study. So you have to just click on, please use the selection categories below to choose the program of study for which you wish to apply. So degree type, I want to apply for MS or MPhil. So the program will be like bioscience. Specialization was want to be cell and molecular biology. And which year semester do you wish to being study at KAUST 2025? After that, have you discussed your application with a member of KAUST family? No, if you have didn't. And have you previously applied to KAUST? No, I am applying for the first time. So after filling the form, you have to just click on save and continue. So as soon you will click on the save and continue, the next step will be open like that, sponsorship. You have to fill this form like company or institution name, name of contact person, sponsor phone number. If no one is sponsoring you, just you have to click no and save and continue. So from here you have to put your personal information like name, father name, etc. After that you have to give your contact information, then emergency contact details, then previous education detail. After that you have to give statement of purpose and CV resume, then standardized test like IELTS or TOEFL, then research poster and publication. After that you have to get other information. After filling all the steps you have to review your application. Is there any mistake? You have to make it correct before application submission. If is there is a no error or mistakes in your application, you have to just click on submission. So this is the simple application form you have to fill if you want to apply for this scholarship.